All right, so since everybody's so curious about this runoff drainage setup that I have, I'm gonna break it down for you guys real quick, just explain it. So you can see all of the platforms, these are the green platforms. The plants will live on the platforms. I water over top of the plants, the runoff gets collected and drains or collects into this little hole, which is plumbed into the central tube. That tube goes out of the tent into this condensation pump. As you can see, the tent for moms is also plumbed into the same pump, as well as the AC condensation line into this pump. This pump, once it hits a certain level of water, will automatically turn on and pump. You can see this clear line goes through the back of the tent over into this runoff. Boom.